Dude, this is sick. Anyways. Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back. Ah, motherfucker! Okay, we're back at the shop, and today, before we get started on any of the car stuff, I'm just gonna clean the front area here because I was expected to actually have this place open to public, like the front retail area for actual viewing and shopping, beginning of February, except Art took over, and you know what, actually, the past 2.5 weeks, I actually turned off all notifications on my phone, put it on airplane mode, and just do not disturb, and probably one of the best decisions I've ever made. I've actually caught up on so much art commissions, but it hasn't given me that much time on other stuff, hence why I'm here. So the idea is to have this place just cleaned up, and I mean, I'm supposed to let you guys know if you're following me on my Instagram exactly when we're open, but hoping in the next few days here, so keep you posted. I brought this guy here today. What's up, homie? You gonna help? Alright, let's get today started.
I've been in my feeling lately.
So these are label toppers. I just have to cut them. It's because our Surikawa train handles didn't actually come with any, so made my own.
On the photo album, time gone now. Niggas pray for us, attention, you a dog now. Yeah. Going on and on like it's braiding hair. Popping off like sis in the face, I know they want me here. If you knew if you ain't vibe with me now, later cause you making classics. Turn up and pay. Use that.
Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you how to create custom door panels. Except, obviously, on this channel, we like to do things differently. So we're gonna be creating our door panel using acrylic. I just like the aesthetic of being able to see the mechanics behind the door panel. So we're gonna keep this, and also we're gonna be adding LED lights to our setup so that it lights up. Still has all this gooey, sticky stuff, so I'll do my best to get rid of that. But before starting these projects, I like to create templates using whatever throwaway cardboard I have on hand. But I ended up going to the dollar store before I came to the garage to pick up some foam core. And we're gonna be using this to create our template. Let's get it.
2 breaks left, got me in my feelings lately. We quit Dawo and Honjo. Sacrifice for the whole. Is you crazy? My nigga, is you crazy? My nigga, is you crazy? My nigga, is you crazy? Hands to the roof for the fallen ones. We the youth back time that we played up. So for shit.
Alright, here we have our template. Now we just gotta go grab the acrylic, which is at the old garage. But yeah, super basic design. But now, looking at it, I'm probably gonna end up cutting a hole out for the door handle. And then I'm gonna attach like some sort of, probably a tow hook or something, as a latch so I can close the door. Alright, let's head to the old garage. Yes, check. Cleaned up the front area a little bit more. But I'm missing these pegs, these hooks, so I have to order some more. Or I don't know if there's like a display store in Calgary that sells them, but yeah, I ran out of hooks. Long time no see, but it's almost springtime here, so almost. We're gonna make this easy, guys. I'm just gonna do a montage of this part, but this is what we came here for. Turn the lights on. It's a perfectly good sheet of acrylic. It's huge. But obviously, I don't really have a car big enough. Well, I guess I could have borrowed Sunny's truck. But I'll just cut the pieces out here and then bring them back to the new shop. Okay, voila! We have our acrylic door cards. So I'm gonna refine these, or at least the edges. And of course, they're not like the most perfect cuts because I was like one-manning this, and holding that rotary blade with one hand is so dangerous. So let's grab whatever else we need from this garage and we'll head back. I know that there are, oh, perfect. This is what I'm looking for. These are just Walmart LEDs. Sweet. Bring all the lights. Oh, cool. They all work. Perfect. And of course, our tow hooks. So these will act as our door handles. Perfect. So now what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna figure out the mounting points, put 2 screws on the top, 1 on the bottom, just to hold it in place, and look like that. Even if we just kept the blue on, that looks pretty clean. And then the only other issue is you wanna make sure that your door still closes, so we may have to adjust it here and there, but so far so good. Just goes off the edge a little bit. So this actually has to be within here because right now, okay. All right, so now we got the rough draft, the basic template mocked up. I'm gonna take this off and then we can go ahead and install our new door handles, AKA the tow hook. All right, so for the door handle, or the tow hook, I guess you could say, there's a hole right here. We're gonna put it to the right of that. You basically just have to take this apart. The mount support actually has 3N on it, as well as 2 holes where you can put screws. Right there, right, like so. Alright, let's test this. Beautiful. Alright, so before we install the acrylic back, actually, you know what? Now I'm looking at it, there is actually enough gap as long as it stays within this rubber peg. That's actually perfect. And then I think it's gonna go like this. Something like that. Yeah, no, I think that's good. For the green LEDs, I'm planning on putting them on the bottom here. But I may actually end up putting them in the actual well. Oh, the button. The button's gone. Damn it, we're gonna have to open this anyway. So this is a green LED strip that I bought from Walmart, and there's a little test button. And basically, it's gonna be like that. That looks so cool. Oh, that's dope. So we got the door strap, the LED lights. All we gotta do now is just finesse everything and make sure the door is properly closed. Let's finish this project. Gojin, what are you doing? Oh, perfect, thank you. That's it. Yo, no fighting, hey? Behave. Hey, Shomai. Hey, Shomai. You're both guys.
I wish. I wish. I wish. I wish. I wish. It's not for me, it's for my friend. I wish. It's not for me, it's for my. I wish.
goes here.
Days go by until we get Layla. We're so
Nice. So my technique, since I don't have the proper tools for this, is I basically leave the corner in there and then I cut as close as I can to it with a Dremel, and then the rest I drill out using a drill. Then we just sand it down, clean it up, and we can finally install this side. Yo, guys, I am lightly impressed. That actually doesn't look half bad. Now we have access to the actual latch, and we can still close it. But now, we just gotta first do the other side, and then we can figure out the wiring. Extended the wires over into here. We'll connect this to that side to a switch, which I'll probably end up installing here sometime. And then we'll feed that through into the engine bay. And actually, Eddie just pointed this out to me. I had no idea about this, but you can actually gain access to the battery power through an E36 by using this right here. And then we'll just find a ground somewhere. That means you don't have to feed the wiring all the way through into the trunk. Who would have thunk? Gohan Chow's over there, just chilling. Aw, I'll give him some attention. Sup, Go Jen? My friend, you are actually the perfect shop dog. Yeah, thanks, dude. This guy's keeping me company. Mwah. Aww. Both sides are installed. Now we gotta figure out the wiring. Alright. This is so shoddy. But let's test this. There's my connection. I'll clean that up later. Got that fed through to here. And so white is plus, and then the black you can just attach to any ground. So possibly this. Oh my god, it works. It means there's power. Okay, so that means this is actually on right now, but I can turn that on and off. Ooh, or it was touching the other one, like
that's why.
The center, yeah.
So when that happens, you're basically, it's like if you ever tighten your battery,
Yeah.
and you get the wrench that just connects the two, it's like a big flash and it like melts through like your
It's like the connection.
socket set or your wrench really quick.
Right, okay.
So that's kind of what you want to do, is maybe solder those terminals first and then at least use tape or something to keep them from touching, and then you're good.
Double check to make sure that this closes. Hey, that's actually nice. That's so nice. This is gonna look so sick at night. Oh, that's awesome. I'm impressed. Shit's nicer than before. All right, I also want to make sure that the windows work. Ace. Dude, this is sick. That's it for this DIY video. Hopefully you guys were able to learn something. And of course, lots of the things that transpire on this channel especially the DIYs and tutorials are experiments at the end of the day, for me especially. Like, I kind of just invented this process through Google images and things that I thought might work, and they do. I'm sure the process is actually really close and similar to all other builds, so you guys are probably able to do this yourselves at home. But yeah, it really just cleans up the interior of the E36 so much more. And from a show perspective, I think this would draw some attention, so I'm actually pretty impressed. Okay, Gohan, let's go. All right, I think my dog's getting antsy. He wants to go home. Plus, I'm pretty done with this project. We got what we came for. And hopefully this video helps some of you guys out on how to create your own custom door cards. Go on, we're gonna go soon, I promise. He's complaining. We get to go. I guess Eddie's out too. We'll catch you tomorrow, homie.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, thanks for letting me use your tools.
No problem. All right, later.
Looks like Gohan's going with you. We got a functional door card and it looks good. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna end this video. If you guys wanna get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button with notification button ticked. Drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace. The roof just started leaking out of nowhere. Oh, look at this! What the fuck? Where's that coming from? Oh my god. That's a terrible spot for that to happen. So I'm gonna move my car a little forward. What sucks too is the drain's over there.